It's DEAN3 remix, baby.
One like them, 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 one like them.